Greetings and welcome back everybody to Onesixtyfourland with another unboxing. We're actually going to get two out of this one because this box is pretty light. I'm pretty sure there's only two things in it. For some reason, Amiami didn't combine my May pre-orders, so I have HobbyJapan in this one and I have TLV in that box over there. So anyway, without further ado, I know it's been a while since I've done one of these unboxings, but due to budgetary constraints, I'm not just ordering all the new green lights and all the new this, that, and the other thing. So let's see what we got. All right, like I said, I believe there's going to be HobbyJapan in this one. Amiami does a great job of packaging. As you see, it's got this nice, lots of packing paper. I reuse it when I sell stuff on eBay. All right, so first one up, we got a new logo for the HJ mini car project, right? This is HobbyJapan. And do they rename themselves too? Here we go. We got HJ64. This is their 22B, but it's decked out in a rally livery, so it's probably not a 22B, just a WRC casting. And it's awesome. You can see this one's got a roll cage, got the roof vents, roof antenna, full deco, big spoiler on the back, lots of sponsored decos, and pretty nice there. Let's see if it says. So this is the number 4 Tour de Course and from '97. So, all right, like it, great color. There was three being released, and I actually missed one of them. I can't remember which one I missed, but this is the number 3 car, so this is the winning car. So same rally, 1997, and really the only difference between the two is the number. They both have roof vents, and obviously the name. This is Colin McRae's car, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Being from the same rally, it's going to have the same, I don't know what you would call it. You can see it on the hood there, the little banner or whatever, not banner. Placard, the rally placard. So very cool. Mini GT's coming out with their own Impreza, and I'm very much looking forward to that as well. All right, so those were the two HobbyJapans. Let's get to the TLV. Now this is a heavy release here. The box is pretty heavy, but I'm pretty sure this box is filled with goodies, right? I pre-ordered them months ago, so I've forgotten what I've got. Nice little artwork here. Thanks for shopping with us. You're welcome. And again, great packaging. Make sure it has a successful journey here from Japan, right? And let's see what we got. All right, so the first one up is going to be the LV199D, right? So this is the 4th version of the Honda SM600. It's a cabriolet here. I think SM is new for this one. I'm not sure what the M stands for, but it's really an S600 cabriolet in this nice light blue. It's got a little luggage rack on the back, so pretty cool. And here's a new casting. This is LVN 282A. It is an 86, I think it's a Skyline. Yeah, Skyline 4-door hardtop GT Passage. So let's see if we can open this, because I really would like to take a look at this one. Great color, white and beige. Okay, gotta be really careful with these, right? Let's see, I don't think there's a user installed part. What is it? That's the spoiler on the back. So not a problem. I'm not gonna add it, but this is nice. There's a familiar, let's see if we can get it in focus there. Familiar round taillights. Nice 4-door. It's got the suspension. It's got big old fender markers there. And this is a pretty pedestrian, everyday family sedan. You know, when you think of the Skyline namesake, you really think of the R32, R33. But Skyline was attached to a whole family of cars, right? sedans, wagons, right, coupes. So pretty cool. All right, we're just gonna put this one back where it belongs, slide it to the side, and keep moving. So this is not a 10-minute unboxing video, although we're already 5 minutes in. All right, next up, Toyota Carina's back, LVN59D, right? So this is nice gray color. 1600 GTR is previously released in white and yellow. So the gray is the muted gray is gonna balance the white one nicely. And you get this red one as well, 1600 GTR, it's an 84. They're both 84s. This is LVN59C. And then nice red color. What else we got here? The Impreza wagon's back. This time is the STI version 5 in white. So it's got the different wheels. Right now it's got the 5-spoke wheels, which are similar to the 2.5 RSs in the US when they were first released in 1998 in bronze. And for this one, you got to put the roof rails on, or you just leave it smooth. Right? It doesn't really matter. LVN 281A. So this is the first one for this version 5. And what else we got? Here is the other one. So here's the standard S600, right? It's only a S600, it's not an SM600. And this is 199C. So it's the same number, but it's just something's different about this. Maybe it's the luxury, I don't remember. I think I Googled it, but I still can't recall. And as you can see, it's got the luggage rack. The little boot cover comes off. And I don't think it comes with a hardtop though. So neat. All right, let's see. Here is the other version of the wagon. It's in gray, right? Bronze wheels, looking good, 1998. Again, you gotta put the roof racks on or not. Here's the other Skyline sedan. So this is a GTS, whereas this one is a hardtop GT. So as you can see, the differences are the wheels here. This one doesn't look like it comes with a spoiler, thankfully, which is unusual. It looks sportier, right? It's got BBS style wheels and no spoiler, whereas this has kind of standard looking wheels with a spoiler. So on that, they're both 1986s. They're both 24 valves. Just one's a GT and one's a GTS. So cool. 282A and B. All right, looks like we got 2 more in here. We have, this came out last month, right? The Nissan GTR 50 by Ital Design. So the last one was in white. And now this is really the show car. And I saw this in person at the New York Auto Show a couple of years ago, and it was pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Let's see if I can open this up. But this teal minty beige, minty green color, this is where it's at. If you're only gonna order one of these, this is the color to get. You can see it's got the lines on it. It says test car. It's got calipers. That is nice. Wow. Cool. All right, and then last one up is another sedan. Oh yeah, it's in gray, and it's got different wheels. I'm not sure what year it is though, but yeah, it's pretty much the same. Same as this guy there. Maybe. I'm not sure. And you gotta put the spoiler on. And it's got the little light on top. Oh yeah, it's got the little light on top. Neat. All right, and that is an empty box. So this was the May pre-order for Tomica Limited Vintage and those 2 HobbyJapan Subarus. I ordered from Amiami. They're great. I recommend them. That's it for today. Thanks for viewing. Less than 10 minutes. Appreciate you all hanging on. Catch you next time.